Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your NCSoft gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in us.ncsoft.com/gamecard and then press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for the NCSoft Endcoin card. From this page, just scroll down and you will find the redeem your code button. Go ahead and click on this and you will be asked to log into your account first. Just proceed with typing your email address followed by your account password. Then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account right away and taken to the redemption page. Just type in your redeem code and then click on the redeem button and this will immediately redeem your code within the NCSoft page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your gift card on NCSoft. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.